The following message is transmitted at the request of the Weather Channel service. A weather event is taking place on the city of Houston, Texas within the past 24 minutes. At 10 a.m. Southeastern Standard Time, multiple reports have been seen that there is a 100% chance of rain in the next 41 minutes. It is now deduced that this is Hurricane Harvey. If you live in Houston, then you are in danger. Here are the percentages of rain in Texas. Houston, 100%, Denton, 63%, Alpine, 42%, Louisville, 72%, and Dallas, 56%. Stay tuned for more weather updates. The following message is an update from earlier. It is now observed that Hurricane Harvey gained more strength, and now grew to the size of Poland since 32 minutes ago. This has changed from Harvey to Katrina, which is still tied with Harvey. Please be careful, also find shelter, close all windows, and get water, food, clothing, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio. Be careful, this could last a while. Also, there will be more weather updates later. The following message is brought you an update from earlier. It's now observed that Katrina is now Category 5 Hurricane Florence. This one is a dangerous hurricane. The affected areas are Texas, Alabama, Oklahoma, Louisiana, southern Mississippi, and Florida. If you are in one of these states, then you are in extreme danger. Shut all windows, close doors, and find a room with no windows. Stay tuned for another update. This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. A massive hurricane is hitting northern America at 2:09 p.m. Northwestern Standard Time. NASA has spotted a Category 5 type hurricane, but actually a Category 3, known as Hurricane Sandy, is currently almost circling around Canada, but doing most damage. There are big chances of highly dangerous floods in South Canada, Washington, Montana, Oregon, and Idaho. This disaster has not happened before, so we are calling the disaster Hurricane Outbreak. This is the first hurricane outbreak ever in life. If you are scared, then place yourself in an extremely powerful shelter. This is no joke. Good luck. This following message is being transmitted at the request of the Weather Channel service. It is now approximately that the high wind is getting high speeds at 197 miles per hour, and 94% chance of rain throughout Alpine and Denton, Texas, Dallas, 74% chance of rain, and Louisville, 89% chance. This was only a message, but still, good luck. This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A hurricane storm is watching effect from Thursday 2 o'clock afternoon through Friday 1 o'clock midnight. The storm is called Hurricane Outbreak Disaster, but the actual hurricane is just Hurricane Sandy. The hurricane is currently heading towards Mira HQ and many people are in danger who works there. The storage and locker room are great places to take shelter from a hurricane in Mira HQ. If you are prepared, go to a shelter. There will be more updates soon. The hurricane is now all gone, but there may be still rainstorms in the next hour and 7 minutes. But still, you survived. Ceasing transmissions at the tone.